We'll be constructing a triangle in a given circle using our ruler, compass, and pencil. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open our compass to the required diameter, and then we're going to draw this circle. So we would have used our ruler and pencil and compass to measure the radius of 40 millimeters. Then we're going to use our ruler and we're going to draw a line through the center of the circle. The center of the circle, label that point O, and where the line intersect the circle, label those 2 points A and B. Then using the same radius of 4 centimeters, we're going to mark an arc from B to pass through the center of the circle and intersect the circle which we drew first. What we're going to do now, we're going to draw some dotted lines for the part of the circle that is outside of the original circle that we drew, okay? So using our compass to dot the second circle that is outside the first circle. Then we're going to use our pencil, and where the two circles intersect, we're going to label this point C and this point D. Good? Then we're going to use our ruler to join from C to A. Then we're going to use the same ruler to join from C to D. And we're going to use a ruler to join from D to A. So this is our triangle in the given circle. And for today's video, the radius was 4 centimeters. So we're going to draw some guidelines using our T-square, or you can use a ruler, and the spacing between the lines are about 4 millimeters. So these lines are guidelines, and we're using them to label the drawing. So to construct a triangle in a given circle. So good job. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of a triangle in a given circle using our compass, pencil, and ruler. In the next video, we'll be finding the centroid for a given triangle. We're looking forward to seeing you in that video. And at CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite math channel. Please take care until we meet again in the next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.